we now get to kind of the third part of our story. So we've seen how I can look at my analytics. We've seen how I can manually make some adjustments and see if they're working. I think our crown jewel here is Coveo Reveal, which says, yeah, but you shouldn't necessarily have to do all that stuff yourself. There's too many signals. There's too many things that influence search results and rankings. Let us take a crack at it for you. You know, I get asked, what should I be doing to improve my search rankings? And I think in a lot of cases the answer may be take your hands off the wheel and let the self-driving car do its thing here. So Reveal is our self-driving car. Reveal looks at the analytics data. It looks at which search results are giving positive and negative outcomes. It's a JavaScript framework that you could attach to things like, did the customer end up having to open a ticket in our ticketing system? If so, we might want to flag that as a negative outcome. Search didn't work in that case. If they purchased something, put it into their shopping cart, well, then we can flag that as a positive outcome. Coveo Reveal is constantly analyzing all of those positive and negative outcomes, and it is shifting the weight of the search results dynamically to give the best results. Fabulous technology. It's working very, very well in practice, and it's got a couple of slides here just to show you that though it is complex, turning it on and setting it up is actually really straightforward. It's just a couple of screens and you're done. All right, almost done here. The last, just want to show a couple of places where Coveo Reveal is being used in action. One really exciting one is that we've been added to Adobe Photoshop Creative Cloud. If you do a help search within Photoshop, you're getting you're getting highly relevant search results powered by Coveo directly in the product. A great use case for Coveo, just because this is not a place where you want to give somebody 500 search results. When they want to know how to crop an image or they want to know how to add a layer, there's probably a couple of articles that are most likely to answer their question. I think with Coveo Reveal we're getting much closer to that. Here is the best result for your answer. It's also contextual. Reveal is adding a contextual scenario so that I can have maybe different recommendations if I'm in Adobe Photoshop than if I'm in Adobe Acrobat, because the context is different. How to do something, like how to crop an image, is different in those two products. So we can set up different learning models for those two contexts very easily. Another interesting example is keyword spotting. So with Reveal, based on those positive and negative outcomes, we're starting to learn which words in a query and which words in the content are yielding the best results. So we've done kind of an interesting mashup here where, let's say you're in a call center and you have inbound emails or someone is filling out a ticket, a help ticket. We can look through that content and find the words in the content that have the most meaningful influence on the search results and automatically do searches for those. This could be wired up in a self-help scenario to sort of divert or deflect a call. It could even be used by agents to help automate the answering of inbound emails. There's a lot of interesting uses here. We've even wired it up with voice search. If you think about someone talking into an Amazon Echo or Google device, they talk in full sentences. There's a lot of superfluous words in what they say, and we want to quickly get to the words that are the most important to search for, and using Coveo Reveal keyword spotting, we're able to find the important words. It's just a kind of interesting side effect of the algorithms that we have.